In this video, we will show you how you can use NVivo with Collaboration Cloud. We will walk you through the whole workflow on how to assign seats for everyone in the NVivo portal, and then how you can get started by creating a project and sharing it with your team members. The first step is to purchase Collaboration Cloud seats for all team members. This can be done by the project owner or an admin. All team members need a valid license for NVivo 14 or 15 in order to work with Collaboration Cloud. Once the licenses are purchased, the admin has to go into the NVivo portal to assign a valid seat to each person who wants to collaborate in the project. In order to assign the licenses, the purchaser has to log into the NVivo portal. Here they can manage the licenses. In the NVivo portal, you will find all your products on the left-hand side. Click on where it says NVivo and go to Manage Subscriptions. Make sure in the upper right corner that you are logged into the correct profile and choose the correct account. Now locate your Collaboration Cloud subscription and click on the little pen icon in order to edit. This will allow you to assign seats to those who should be using NVivo Collaboration Cloud. Here you find the number of unused seats and the number of assigned seats. Below you find a list of those team members who already have a seat assigned. You can either assign single users on the right-hand side or assign multiple users by uploading a CVS file. Now that all seats are assigned successfully in the NVivo portal, you can start working with NVivo. For this, the project owner will start NVivo and create a new project. As the project owner, you can now open NVivo. On the welcome screen, make sure that you are logged in to the correct account. It has to be the same account that your Collaboration Cloud subscription sits in. Once you have checked that, you can now start by creating a new project or by opening an existing project that you wish to share. To create a new project, just click on the plus sign. Make sure that the local file that you are going to share later on is not stored on another cloud location. Make sure that it is stored on a local drive. Once you have created your project, you can start by uploading files or creating codes. But already at this stage, you can actually share your project with your future team members. As the project owner, you will have to go to where it says Share at the top of your screen. This is where you will find the button Upload Project. You only have to upload your project once. Once the upload is complete, you can click Close. Now you are ready to go ahead and manage your team. Please note that the Upload Project button is now grayed out. This means that this particular project has already been uploaded by you. If you now click Manage Team, you will be able to add anyone who has a seat assigned under the same subscription. Here you can now add your collaborators. You can choose your collaborators from the drop-down list. Simply click Add User. You can now see two users. One is the owner. This is yourself, the project owner. The other one is the collaborator. Owners and collaborators have different roles in an NVivo project, which I will explain later. If you cannot find a team member in the drop-down menu, please go to Subscription in order to go back to the NVivo portal to assign a seat to any missing team members. Now that you have assigned your team members, you can start collaborating. Now that the project owner has uploaded the project and invited the team members, they can start working. For that, the collaborator opens NVivo and logs into the correct account. Remember, you have to be logged into the correct account in order to be able to collaborate with your team members. As the collaborator, you can now start working. As mentioned, on the welcome screen, make sure that you're logged into the correct account. Then you can access the cloud project that was just shared with you by clicking on the left-hand side where it says Cloud Projects. This will show you a list of all projects that have previously been shared with you or that you are the owner of yourself. In the next step, locate the project that was shared with you, mark it, and click Clone. You only have to clone a project once in order to work with it. Once a project is cloned, you will be able to open it again from the recent project list. To clone the project, save it on a local drive and make sure not to change the name of the project file to ensure that the syncing to the cloud will work. Click Save. Once the cloning is complete, you can click Close. The project will open automatically. Now that you are in the shared project file, you can start working or add your collaboration by adding files or coding the material. Please note that as a collaborator, if you go to the Share button, you will have a different view. The Upload Project and Manage Team option are grayed out, as those are only available to the project owner. So for you, these options are unavailable. Please also note that you can see the sync status in the upper right corner of your screen. This way, you will know if your project is currently syncing or if the sync status is up to date. Let me tell you a little bit more about the rules of collaborators. In the help page of NVivo, you'll find a step-by-step guide on how to work with Collaboration Cloud and also the rules that apply for the different roles. Only project owners can create and then upload projects to the cloud. They are also the ones who can then delete the uploaded project from the clouds. The project owner is the one who will manage the team. Editing, deleting, and merging is also limited to just the project owner. Collaborators can clone a project assigned to them from a project owner, import any file type, add transcriptions, create new codes, and code to both new and existing codes. They can also create memos and add to memos. And of course, they can run any queries and visualizations. What collaborators cannot do is, for instance, editing the name of a folder, moving a folder to a different location, editing the name of a file, moving a file to another location, copy and pasting existing documents, copy and pasting existing folders, editing documents, deleting files, codes or memos, or merging codes. And of course, they cannot assign or remove team members from a project. These are the rules that currently apply. Now that you are all set and know the rules for collaboration, we wish you great success with your collaboration project.